The Rift Valley is an open wound in the heart of Africa. A line of fire and water that in a few million years will provoke the fatal rupture of the continent. From Djibouti to Mozambique, the Earth will open to create a drifting world, a runaway of capes, gulfs and meridians towards the sea, an illusion of a geography in disorder. But this will occur so far in the future that we can still disregard the geologist's recommendations. In the meantime, the Ethiopian section of the Rift Valley confirms its attachment to the mainland as a territory generous with life.